Introducing the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, a bedliner, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.